Police are reporting that one of two men killed in a gun attack in Cambridge district near Brompton on Friday night was an alleged member of the St. Elizabeth-based speculation gang. He is Donovan Bailey, 50, otherwise called Don. Police named the second victim as Elvin McIntosh, an associate of Bailey. Police reports said Bailey was well known to investigators as they alleged he was involved in various criminal activities, including murders, shooting, and pre-deal larceny. A police report said shortly after 8 p.m. the men were in a yard when a gunman entered and opened fire, hitting them. Further reports said that the men were pumping air into a tire on a Mark X motor car when the gun attack happened. They were pronounced dead at hospital. Detectives assigned to the Portmore Criminal Investigation Branch are seeking the public's assistance with their probe in the discovery of a skull that was found on an open lot at an entertainment center in Portmore, St. Catherine on Thursday, December 14. Reports are that about 9:30 a.m. a laborer was employed to clear the area in preparation for an event when he stumbled upon the skeletal remains and contacted the police. On their arrival, the skull was seen. The scene was processed and the skull was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. Investigators are appealing to anyone with information that can assist them to contact the Portmore CIB, Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. A woman killed in a multi-vehicle crash along the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Saturday has been identified. The deceased is 23-year-old Shadija Williams of a Clarendon address. Police report are that about 5:45 a.m., Williams was traveling in a Mercedes-Benz SUV, traveling on the highway heading to St. Catherine when the vehicle collided into the rear of a parked truck. As a result of the collision, the Benz careened and crashed into a Suzuki Vitara motor car that was traveling in the same direction. Williams suffered serious injuries and was pronounced dead at hospital. There were no other serious injuries, the police said. Head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch of the JCF, Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary Mackenzie, said investigations are ongoing to see whether the fatal accident was a result of dangerous driving.